Welcome again, guys. Today we're going to talk about the final one, which would have been escribed. So it's not inscribed, it's not circumscribed, right? It has to be escribed. Now, escribed, the terminology basically means something has to do with tangency, not on the object, not around the object, but lying close to the object, right? So the first task that I gave you was to draw the triangle ABC using a specified angle. When you obtain that shape, you are to now place a circle touching the tangency of a line AC, right? So let's go through the steps. Step 2, produce BC to D. So extend the line BC with a construction line to a certain distance you can specify, as long as it's above a certain length. Now, extend as well BA to E, right? It can be the same distance of extension, cannot. Both terms are satisfied. Now, after you've done that, you're going to bisect the angle that was obtained between the length AC and the length AE. There's an angle formed there, okay? Close to 90, or it could be 90. But when you find that angle, you're going to bisect it similar to the process where we discussed in the circumscribed. You grab an arc, right? You ensure that it touches both sides, okay? Then using this side, you scribe an arc outward, this side, and intersect it as well, okay? Can be to here based on your compass distance will determine the range as to how far it goes up, but it's the same step. If you made your arc very small, this arc would have been here, and it wouldn't made any difference because it would have been still the same line passing throughout. Okay, now once that's completed, we will bisect A. The other step is to now intersect that A with the bisected angle formed at C. Okay, now let's look at how it's done. So this angle now has a line AC that's interacting with a line CD. To bisect that angle, you swipe an arc, right? Then using those arc boundaries, you create another arc further up, right? Could have been here, could have been there, based on your compass reach, right? And when now you've intersected both those arcs, you would now essentially find arcs of intersection and you plot it to the origin of C. Now both those lines will intersect and we call that point O. Okay, when that point O is found, we typically just put a perpendicular line down towards the line CD and call that point F. It's not a necessity, but it helps your drawing to obtain that, hey, this line OF is the radius. When we find that, we can simply now use that distance OF to create now our circle that touches the boundary of line AE, boundary of AC, and the boundary of CD. And there you have an ascribed circle on a given triangle. All right? Thank you guys for watching. See you.